Well, the beach looks rather horribly busy. That's typical for August. We've decided to borrow a boat from a friend today. And we've packed a picnic, which we got packed at Casa Bottega. Interesting. Don't know if you can see, but this boat has got a swimming pool behind the flag. Wow. Stopped in a little bay, found some locals. Raimondo.
Madonna mia Federica!
Vai!
Boccaglio, non ci sta niente. Ah, il boccaglio è qua. Il boccaglio è... Le pinne? No, le pinne no. So. Is it?
Holly, do you want to come? Go for a swim, Holly. Come on. See the helicopter coming into land on the big yacht. Rent this one next time.
Mantenuto. La punta verso fuori, perché c'hai le onde che ti vengono.
So currently we have got the anchor jammed in between some rocks and we're stuck. And they're trying to figure out how to get it out without losing the anchor. Failing miserably here, but we have Alfonso, hopefully, superhero, Superman, super potent, on his way to give us a hand. So the anchor's completely jammed, so we're going to tie the rope to a bottle, leave it in the water, and somebody can come back and try and get it another time.